Hey, I wanted to get on here and take a few minutes of your time. I know this is a quick video, but I don't know how long this sale is going to last. So I found out about this today in the Mityvac booth. Amazon is running this sale, 65% off. That's a pretty doggone sale on this right here. They demonstrated it for me. I'm really liking it. As you can see, I've got one in my cart over here, and I'm really looking forward to getting it. So it's the Mityvac MV7135 Premium Pneumatic Brake and Clutch Bleeding Kit. Now they sell other adapters for this. So, you know, according to what car you're doing, there's a lot of different adapters you can use, but this is your basic kit. And bottom line, you can use air pressure to either pull from or push to something that you're bleeding or pulling fluid from. And it doesn't have to be brake fluid. It can be, you know, you could be doing your clutches, a lot of other things. So I went and did some research, and I pulled this out of the manual. So bottom line, you can use it with a lot of different fluids, but I would caution you to not mix fluids. You don't want to put brake fluid that has been contaminated with other fluids. So if you're going to use this for other stuff, either figure out a way to clean it out very, very well, or you're going to want to have separate ones for separate fluids. It's a nice kit. I like what it does. I can't wait to get this in and use it for myself. So let's take a look at it a little bit. So right here, we're showing that, you know, this switch right here where my mouse is, this is what operates it. You can either push to or pull from. This right here is an adapter that it does not come with, okay? It doesn't come with that, but you can buy them. Here's another picture. It's just showing him. I'm not sure whether he's pulling fluid from here or pushing it to it, but see, he's not using the adapter. Now, if you're wanting to pressurize and push fluid in there, you're going to want the adapter. I'm not sure whether I'm going to need it to push fluid back through the brake system. I'll figure that out when I get it. Here we are again. You see your airline right here. He's pushing fluid through. You see, it comes with the adapter right here. I know it's hard to see. Let's see if there we go. Comes with this little adapter right here. And you just crack it open and push fluid through it. He might be pulling fluid as well. Okay, let's go through these parts. So these are the different adapters to go over your bleeder valves. I'm not sure yet what these are for or that, but I'll, you know, when I get the product in, I'll go over it with everyone. I just wanted to get that out there because I wanted y'all to be able to get in on this deal before it goes back up. Let's check it out. So it's 65% off, regular $343.78. So this Capital One, it shows me that I could buy it from somewhere else for actually $132, 132.10 bucks, and then I'll save like $3.67 by, you know, points that I have or something right here. So right now, Amazon is probably the cheapest price. I don't know if you can find it somewhere else, but there will be a code for it down here in the description. Click on that. You can go over there to Amazon and pick it up for yourself. I appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day. Take care.